Taking advantage of an opportunity is smart, but creating one is excellence. Hello everyone, I am Brahmasri Chakraborty and I'll be giving an introduction about Reliance and Jio. Starting in 1973, Reliance traversed from polyester business to financial services, power, communication and infrastructure. They acquired Balaji Telefilms, Netmax, Network 18, Heptex and Savan. In 2010, Mukesh Ambani, the eldest son of business tycoon Dhirubhai Ambani, acquired Infottel Broadband to enter the telecom industry. It took him 4 years to establish the digital infrastructure to launch the world's cheapest internet service, Jio, in September 2016. Within 9 months, Jio had over 108 million users. Within the e-commerce sector, Jio also introduced JioMart, the grocery channel, in which they delivered the online ordered groceries to the required destinations within a short span of time.
Hello everyone, I am Shubham Mondal and I am going to talk about the corporate level strategies implemented by Reliance Industries Limited. Now, corporate level strategies talks about where to play, and talking about where to play, Reliance is a diversified organization. They have diversified into media, healthcare, online education, wallets, video conferencing, telecom, music streaming, retail, electronics, e-commerce and also oil and gas. From this we can develop a strategy called mobile defense. Mobile defense speaks about moving from one business to another very effectively, and Reliance being a conglomerate has effectively moved from one business to the other. Talking about one more defense strategy, which is flank defense. Through flank defense, Reliance usually is able to brick wall their position in the market. Reliance does not expose the blind spots. One example is that Reliance entered the market through Reliance Smart, then they entered the electronic segment through Reliance Digital, and now they are entering the e-commerce segment with JioMart. From this we can understand that Reliance is not interested in exposing their blind spots to their competitors. Now talking about one more example, in telecom we have Jio from Reliance. Now Reliance has made certain acquisitions with Savan and entered the music streaming market with Jio Savan. They have also entered markets with Jio Money and also Jio Meet to compete with Google Meet and Paytm, GPay, etc. So from that also we can understand that Jio is also not interested in exposing blind spots where their opponents can attack them.
Hello everyone, I am Orahu Shah and I will be talking about continuous innovation the company goes through to stay in the position where they are today. Firstly, they're developing new product because innovation is the key to success. They're making Jio 4G Lite phones, Jio Fiber broadband services, Reliance Jio DTH, etc. Secondly, they are catering to customer needs and are providing them with smooth services at various Reliance Digital stores and Jio stores. Thirdly, they are very effective in distribution. They have set up various distribution channels pan-India via Reliance Digital, Reliance Smart, Reliance Setup and Footprints. And finally, they believe in cost cutting. They're connecting with various local Kirana stores, Reliance Retail for inventories, which will finally help in reducing their cost.
Hello everyone, my name is Ishika Ranjan and I'll be talking about how JioMart ecosystem works for retailer and for customer. So for retailer, it starts with credit for buying, goods procurement, inventory management, demand generation, order and billing, customer management, branding, logistics. And after that, we will see how JioMart ecosystem works for the customer. So text a Jio number on WhatsApp, follow the link which is valid for 30 minutes for placing an order, delivery in 2 days fulfilled by the Jio or store, enter a Jio Prime shop, continue to get deals on WhatsApp.
Hello everyone, my name is Debashmita Chanda and today I will be talking about the business level strategies of JioMart. So, business level strategy is all about how to play and how to win. So, today we will see the competitive advantages of JioMart through cost leadership. The first point in cost leadership is free home delivery. JioMart provides a free home delivery to their customers. And the second point is no minimum value. So for example, we can say that Amazon, Flipkart and Big Basket, the other competitors of JioMart, have a minimum order value. But JioMart don't have any minimum order value for delivery system. Third point is express delivery. JioMart provides an express delivery to their consumers in no time. Fourth is no question asked for return policy. JioMart don't ask much questions
to the consumers through their return time. This helps to build a good relationship with the consumers and the brand. The fifth point is early bird discount. JioMart provides an early bird discount of ₹3,000 to their customers.
Good morning everyone, my name is Shivankar Banda and today I am going to explain about Porter's FIFO model. So the first one is rivalry among existing competitors. So JioMart will always have to come up with an influential strategy to attract its customers, otherwise its customers will go into Amazon pantry or to say Walmart. So the second is bargaining power of suppliers. What JioMart has done is tied up with local Kirana stores, so the owner of these local Kirana stores has certainly some power to bargain. The third is bargaining power of buyers. So if JioMart does not provide the products at affordable rates, then the customers certainly have better options to explore, such as Walmart, Amazon pantry and other thing, which includes grocery stores such as Big Basket. Concluding with the fourth and fifth, which is threat of new entrants and threat of substitutes. So in this digital growing world, there is always a possibility that any one startup can come up and have a threat to JioMart. So the JioMart will always have to explore its current strategies and come up with better implementation of programs so that the customers always stay loyal to JioMart.